Welcome to Dex. Today, we'll show you how to create templates for exporting transactions. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Transactions section and select the download icon. Now is the time to customize your fields. You can clear all the fields. Add new columns using the drop-down menu. Move the fields up or down by dragging and dropping it using the 6 dots button, or delete the fields using the trash icon. Do not forget to select the format. When you are done, select the arrow at the side of the download button and select Download and Save as a template. That's it. You have successfully saved your first template. Now let's load your saved template for future downloads. First, go to the same download window and this time you will see a new button at the top right. Select the template, click on it. Now you will see the previously saved template. You can delete it with the 3 dots, or you can select it to use it. If you modify it in any way, you can select the arrow at the side of the download button and select Save as a new template. Don't worry, you can save multiple templates. And that's it. Dex saves you time and effort with our template feature.